Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make pecan pancakes. This is a delicious, slightly sweet recipe. You're going to want to drizzle maple syrup over the top. Let me show you how it's made. In this bowl, I have all-purpose flour. Now, in the description box, I'm going to have all the measurements for you, and it also works with gluten-free all-purpose flour, which I'll also link for you below. So to the flour, I'm going to add cinnamon, because pecans and cinnamon go really well together. I also want to add some baking powder. Baking powder helps your pancakes take lift, so definitely you're going to want to do that. To this, I'm going to add a little bit of brown sugar, because pecans, brown sugar makes great fall flavors. A tidbit of salt. The salt helps activate the baking powder. It also levels out everything, so it's just a pinch, not that much. And we're gonna take a whisk and mix this together. You do wanna make sure that your brown sugar, there are no clumps in there, but for the most part, this is a really easy batter. And now that these are mixed, we are also gonna add some pecans. You wanna add them to the dry ingredients, because by adding them to the dry ingredients, they don't sink to the bottom if you add them at the end. So that's super simple. We just wanna make sure that they get distributed, plus they get coated with the flour, so it helps out a lot right there. Okay, so to our dry ingredients, we're gonna add some milk. You can use whatever milk that you have available to you. I'm also going to add some melted butter and 1 egg. So you wanna start mixing the ingredients from the middle, and then start adding everything from the sides into the middle. This is how you avoid over mixing. Check out the batter. It's thick, it's perfect. The pecans are evenly distributed in here. Awesome. All right guys, so today I'm using a non-stick griddle, which you can also make these pancakes in a pan, but I want you to get a real close look at them. So the griddle is like the best option for our videos. And I am going to take some butter and grease it, because even though it's non-stick, you always want to make sure that your pancakes slide right off. All right, so we take about 1/4 cup per pancake and we pour it right into our griddle. Check it out. Lots of little pieces of pecans inside of each pancake. Now I have my griddle set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about medium-high heat on your stove, and that's a perfect temperature so your pancakes don't burn on one side. They can get the heat right through until the edges are defined and you see bubbles forming, and that, my friends, is the time to flip. So now that these are ready, all we have to do is pile them up. Check these out. Pecan pancake perfection. Now make sure to grab the ingredients, all the measurements in the description box below the video, and if easy recipes like this one are your thing, make sure to click that red subscribe button. You and I get to cook together a few times a week. See you next time.